Hi everyone, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. For those who are new here, my name is Rowena. I'm an intuitive tarot reader here on YouTube for more than 2 years now. Ever wonder what's coming to you this coming Burr months, September, October, November, and December? Well, I've got you covered. We will see what's coming to you in the next 4 months before 2023 ends. Since this is a general reading, it may not resonate with you completely, but if you're looking for a private reading personalized to your unique situation, I highly recommend my sponsor, Keen. Keen connects you with gifted psychics, tarot readers, and astrologers. All you have to do is to create an account and you'll be able to choose from the hundreds of readers who are online right now. These readers each have unique specialties designed to provide a deeper understanding of your situation. You can choose whichever reader best suits your needs and you'll be able to connect with them via phone call or text chat. You can have a reading in an instant whenever you want, wherever you are, because Keen is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you don't have to wait for a schedule. I've been using Keen for more than 6 months now, and Keen has been my go-to psychic app whenever I need clarity. I remember one of my favorite psychic tarot readers predicted that I will get myself into a business before the year ends, and it's currently happening now, and things are doing well with it. That's why it's still best to get a personal psychic reading because it is directed only to your energies. Now, here's your chance to get a personalized reading from Keen. As a new customer in Keen, you can try your first 10 minutes for only $1.99, which is up to $99 in savings. And that's already a great deal to start. Just go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description to save big on your first reading. You can also scan this QR code so you can easily access the website. This is the cheapest psychic reading that you could ever have online. Imagine that's only $1.99 or 110 pesos, and that's already for a 10-minute private reading. So go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description and on the pinned comment to get a reading and enjoy a huge discount. Thank you so much for sitting through that, and thank you so much, Keen, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Capricorn, let's see what's coming to you ngayong Burr months 2023, September, October, November, December. Ayan, this is a general reading, so maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi, just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung inyong Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, Capricorn, that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Okay, so let's see, Capricorn. What's coming to you, Burr months, September, October, November, and December. Okay. September. Pagdating ng September, you will bring balance into your life. So, makikita mo dyan may duality. So, balance sa finances mo, sa oras at panahon mo sa mga mahal sa buhay mo. So, mas gugustuhin mo na pareho, no? Meron kang oras at panahon sa lahat. And maaari ding mas magiging open ka sa gusto mong sabihin. This is also about your communication, expression. So, let's see ano pa. Mas magiging authentic. Being authentic of who you really are. You have the Three of Wands. So, meron kang adventure, action. This is also growth. So, may pag-unlad, no? Ng iyong life ngayong September. You also have the Queen of Wands. So, some of you, meron kayong travel opportunities. Meron din ditong expectation. So, ibig sabihin niya, meron kayong ina-expect na bisita or ina-expect na darating galing ibang bansa. Parang inaano mo na siya. Ina-anticipate mo na. So, pwede itong tao, pwedeng package galing sa ibang bansa. May padala yung mahal mo sa buhay. And some of you, pagdating sa business, you're going to be more focused on creating something. So, yung negosyo mo, related siya sa pag-create ng mga bagay, no? Hindi lang siya yung reselling something. It's about creating something. So, mas lalo kang yung magta-tap in sa iyong talents, abilities, and your skills. So, pagdating naman ng October, meron ditong owl. Owl symbolizes wisdom. So, you will gain maturity. Mas magiging mature ka. Lalo na sa pagdedesisyon sa buhay. So, kung dati, parang walang sense of direction, no, yung tinatahak mo. So, ngayon, mas alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo. You also have the Ten of Cups. You will focus on taking care of your family, your loved ones. And with the Page of Wands, I think you will spend more time with your kids, traveling, going to different places. Mas magkakaroon din ng magandang communication with your family. May good news. Maaring kapamilya ninyo may dalang magandang balita. Pwedeng meron siyang achievement na malaki yung impact sa family ninyo as a whole, 'di ba? So, pagdating naman ng November, you have the crystal. Crystal is about healing, self-healing, purifying, aligning yourself. So, maaring iba sa inyo, magfo-focus kayo sa inyong kalusugan pagdating ng November. So, take care of your health. Kasi, syempre, pag nag-focus ka sa kalusugan mo, maaring may dahilan kung bakit, no? So, mas maganda na yung ngayon pa lang, meron ka ng, kumbaga proactive ka na i-address yung mga health concerns or health issues mo. You have the Hierophant. So, this is structure, knowledge, and wisdom. So, ito yung pagiging, responsible sa sarili mo. Be responsible of your own health ng iyong sarili. Maari ring you will be connecting with a mentor. Merong mentor na tutulong sa'yo, magbibigay sa'yo ng knowledge, mag-share ng knowledge and skills sa'yo na pwede mo pang magamit, no? Para mas lalo mong mapaunlad yung sarili mo. You also have the Empress. Wow. So, this is about abundance. Pagdating ng November, you will take care of yourself. Like, talagang pwedeng may pagbabago sa sarili mo physically. Yung mga isinasantabi mo dati na tipong inuuna mo yung ibang tao bago ikaw. So, ngayong November, sarili mo naman. So, yung iba mag-glow up. So, focusing on beauty and luxury. So, maaring this time, bibili ka rin ng gamit para sa sarili mo. Pwedeng high ticket to. Bibilhan mo yung sarili mo ng cellphone, ng gadget, or ng bag. Na kung ano man na parang reward mo sa sarili mo for doing the hard work. And then, pagdating naman ng December, you have the wind. So, ang wind, kung saan ka dalhin, no? And this is also pagre-release ng stock na energy, pagke-cleanse. So, maaring meron kang mga i-release na alam mong hindi na nakakatulong para sa sarili mo, para sa kaunlaran mo. Like, for example, meron kang bisyo na hindi maganda para sa kalusugan mo, i-release mo yon, tatanggalin mo na yon kasi mas pangangalagaan mo na yung sarili mo para sa family mo, para sa mga mahal sa buhay mo. Yung iba naman sa inyo, i-release yung mga connections na alam nyong parang energetically connected ka pa doon, pero wala na siya sa buhay mo. Alam mo yon, tipong this can be your past na you're still holding on to it. Pwedeng hindi naman sa hinahabol mo, no? Hindi naman sa ganon. But pwedeng at the back of your mind, umaasa ka pa rin. Pero wala na talaga. So, i-release mo na yon, yung mga ganong stock na energy. You are cleansing. You are removing the impurities. Okay? You have the judgment. See, merong awakening rito. Nire-reassess mo yung sarili mo, yung situation mo. Ano yung dapat magbago? Ano yung dapat mong pagtuunan ng pansin? May Six of Wands. Ang ganda nito, Capricorn, because this is triumph, this is victory. You will be, pagdating ng December, marami kang achievement, no? Marami kang mga isi-celebrate para sa sarili mo, para sa family mo, lalo na sa mga changes na ginawa mo sa buhay mo. And some of you, if you are in social media or in a public eye, maraming admirers. You also have square, semi-square, quincunx tension. So, I think itong tension na to is related doon sa health issues or doon sa mga i-release mo sa buhay mo. Na parang merong catalyst na kailangan magka-issue, magka-problema para doon mo ma-realize na, oh, ito pala, siya pala yung problema. So, yun yung tatanggalin mo. You also have Sagittarius, yes. You are going to expand. You will explore new things, new opportunities ngayong Burr month. So, yung iba sa inyo marami ring travel opportunities. Okay? Or mga bagong kaalaman. So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Capricorn. See you again.